Today we're showing you a 2016 New Holland Workmaster 37 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a 1405 quick attach front loader. The tractor has 36 horsepower, has approximately 30 hours on it. The tractor is practically brand new. It does come with a balance of the factory New Holland warranty. I believe that runs into 2025. Double check the listing on that. Has a skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Factory joystick here for your loader control. Still has the pips on the tires, foldable rollover bar, 540 PTO, has a 3-point hitch, stabilizer bars. Looking for a tractor that's just about like new. This one's gonna fit the bill. Has the 12-speed gear transmission. You've got 3 ranges here to the left, 4 gears over there to the right, and then your mechanical shuttle up here on the dash for forward and reverse. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.